There are so many different animals that make sounds that can be very loud or very high-pitched. But there's one thing for sure: if you ever heard these sounds, you would probably run away because they are some of the weirdest sounds known to the animal kingdom. It sounds like this. It almost sounds like a frog croaking, but we promise you that this is definitely a bird. If you think that was bad, just wait until you hear what this next animal has to say. They are venomous, and their saliva contains enough toxin to paralyze its prey. Wattles are found in both Africa and Asia, so watch out if you're in these places. These birds can only be found in New Zealand, and they are critically endangered. But unlike other geese, the nene has a very unusual call. It sounds like this. We're not sure why they make this sound, but we're guessing it's to attract a mate. After all, it is the Hawaiian state bird, so it has to be special. There are only around 150 left in the wild today, and the reason for that is because they can't fly. And now on to number 1, and no, 1, the bullfrog. Okay, so we know we said that the weirdest sounds come from animals and birds, but we couldn't make an exception for the bullfrog. Its call is often described as the funniest sound in the animal kingdom. And once you hear it, you will understand why. It literally sounds like a bull mooing, but it's actually a frog croaking. It's been said that if you hear a bullfrog, you will laugh uncontrollably for no reason whatsoever. So if you ever hear this sound, be careful, you might lose control and burst out laughing. And their calls can be heard all throughout North America. But did you know that they can actually change the pitch of their voice? That's right. If you want to see another video just like this one, then click the link on screen now. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos like these. It is one of the most bizarre looking primates on the planet. And its call is just as strange. It sounds like this. It almost sounds like a person gargling, but it's actually an eye making a call. And if you think that was weird, just wait until you hear this. They can either make a low-pitched, deep sound or a high-pitched, piercing sound. They do this by changing the shape of their vocal tract. It's amazing to think that they can change their voices at all, let alone to different voices. Now listen to this. It sounds pretty scary, right? Well, you ain't heard nothing yet. Just wait until you hear what this next animal has to say. That makes them an easy target for predators such as cats and dogs. But the strangest thing about the kakapo is definitely its voice. Just listen to this. It sounds exactly like a piggy. It is one of the strangest sounds ever recorded in the animal kingdom. Scientists were so baffled by this sound that they had to record it multiple times to make sure that it wasn't a trick. Listen closely. It sounds like someone inhaling through their nose, but it's actually this bird making a mating call. Researchers are still trying to figure out how the hoopoe bird produces this sound, but they believe it has something to do with the air sacs in its body. We don't know how else to describe it, but it really does sound like a pig squealing. So grab your headphones and get ready, because these are the top 10 strangest sounds of animals and birds in the world. Okay, so this one may not be that strange, but it is the loudest. The blue whale is the largest animal that has ever existed on planet Earth. And you would think that it would be slow and clumsy, but that's not the case at all. These gigantic creatures can move extremely fast when they want to. And they can also make the loudest noise of any animal. Their calls can reach a mind-boggling 188 decibels. That's louder than a motorcycle or a rock concert. And their calls can be heard over 500 miles away underwater. That means you can hear the blue whale before you even see it. And when you see it, you will be absolutely amazed. And yes, its call sounds exactal. And it also looks pretty scary too, with its huge eyes and sharp beak. So if you ever visit Bermuda and you hear a blood-curdling scream in the middle of the night, now you know what it is. Number 10. The yellow-rumped crested flycatcher. The yellow-rumped crested flycatcher is found in South America, and it has a strange and somewhat creepy call. No. 9. The great patoo. This large flightless bird is native to the island of Bermuda. No. 8. The wattles. Wattles sound like this. Maybe they sound cute, but don't be fooled by its appearance. These little creatures can actually kill you. 7. The blue whale. Number 6. The kakapo. If you have ever seen the movie Mona, then you will remember this little bird, the kakapo. Number 5. The nene. The nene is a type of goose that can only be found in Hawaii. No. 4. The screech owl. As you probably guessed, screech owls can make a very loud screeching noise. Number 3. The AA. The ii is a lemur that can only be found in Madagascar. No. 2. The hubbub bird. The hubbub bird is also known as the Bodie bird, but the name doesn't really matter. What matters is its call. Alright, before we reveal 1. Be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed and stay tuned for more videos like these. We hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we did making it.